Now, like margin, there are many ways to add padding to your elements in HTML5 as well. So let's say the most used ways are padding, and then let's say 5 pixel. So as you can see, they added 5 pixel padding from left, top, right and bottom. And you can pass parameter, let's say top. So this will add padding to the top. If you want to add to the bottom, this will add to the bottom. You can use the same thing for right and left. And if you want to add all in one, then you can pass 4 parameters to this, or 2 parameters. So let's say I want to pass 2 parameters, then I can, let's say 5 pixel on the x-axis, on the y-axis, and let's say 10 pixel on the x-axis. So now this adds 10. Let's say this is going to be 20. As you can see, the y-axis padding is 20 pixel, and on the x-axis it is 5 pixel. And you can pass, as I told you, you can pass 4 parameters. So this will become left, this will become top. Now let's say for right, I want to add 20 pixel, and from the bottom it should be, let's say 50 pixel. Now as you can see, the padding has been added. So left, top, right and bottom. And like margin, you can add the block and inline padding as well. So let's say I want to add padding on the x-axis. You can use the padding block, but like margin, this will help you if the language of the web page changes. This will add padding as it is. So let's say I want to add padding on the block on the x-axis. Let's say 10 pixel. As you can see, 10 pixel is on the top and right, on the top and bottom. And you can use the block start and end. So the start will add to the top padding, and the end will add padding to the bottom. And inline is there, inline. This will add padding on the y-axis, on the left and right. And there is inline start will add to the left, as you can see, and inline end will add to the right of the element.